piling up and it will just never stop. Good morning, I just grabbed breakfast, no coffee yet because I'm actually planning to go to yoga later. But yeah, I thought I'm just gonna have a little chit chat with you, see how you're feeling. I will be honest with you, I'm having a really hard time trying to balance everything in life right now. Like, I'm writing my bachelor thesis, creating content, applying for jobs, and just keeping up with life in general, and like not knowing what's gonna be after my bachelor thesis. It's a lot right now. My body also shows me when I'm stressed, and I'm quite grateful because then I just know that I have to slow down, but at the same time it's kind of annoying because my hair would fall out, I'm bloated, my skin would break out, and I'm doing weird stuff. Like, for example, I just recorded this video before in a weird format, and then when I wanted to edit, I just realized that I recorded in the wrong format because I'm just with my mind, I'm just somewhere else. And yeah, I don't know, this is just a sign that it's a lot right now and that I need to slow down. And the thing is, I know that I need to slow down, eat better, move more, and just take a break. But giving myself permission to rest is weirdly hard when I feel like I'm falling behind in life in general. So today, I'm bringing you with me through a more mindful day in my life, trying to reconnect a little more with my mind and my body. I also want to start sharing with you what helps me, for example, vegetarian recipes, routines, or just tips how to manage it all without burning out. Especially when you're on the phase of life where it feels like everything is piling up and it will just never stop. If you're on the same boat right now, feeling overwhelmed, trying to keep it all together, just know you're not alone. I think a lot of people actually in their 20s feel the same way, me included. Just know one small step at a time. So whether today is about finally slowing down or just taking a deep breath, I hope this video feels like a reminder for you that rest is allowed and also necessary. Okay, let's finish my breakfast and then let's go to yoga. If you're wondering what this is my yoga mat. It's a travel yoga mat and it's so convenient because it's small, it's pretty light, and you can just put it in your suitcase and you're good to go. And whenever you go to a yoga class, you can just put it in your purse. And I think you can just get it on Amazon. For me, it was a gift from my mom. Thank you, Mama. But I'm pretty sure you can just get it on Amazon as well. This yoga session felt so incredible good. I feel like this was the first time in a long time that my mind completely shut off. I didn't think about anything. My body and my mind really needed this break and of doing something else to break my work sleep circle. I feel like I really want to implement that in my life again because it was just so incredibly good. I'm so happy right now because I feel like I can finally feel my body again and kind of connect with it again. This kind of gave me the push of like really changing something in my life right now. This is your sign if you never tried yoga. I mean, maybe for some people it works, for some people it doesn't, but I highly recommend trying it out. Or like anything else that you are passionate about and you kind of ignore because you have so much to do, this is your sign to just pick it up again and see if you're still passionate about it. If not, this is also fine. At least give yourself some break during the day. Yeah, that was a lot. It was just so much in my mind right now. Like I just came out of the shower and I was like, I have to share this because maybe somebody out there, like at least one person, feels the same way and is like stuck in the circle and doesn't know how to get out of there. And I just wanted to get it out to probably help somebody, inspire somebody to say it is okay. Everybody's probably stuck at some point and you have the permission to break the circle and to listen to your body and to take a break.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my